In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add typewriter-style subtitles in InVideo. If you want your captions to appear one character at a time for a dynamic typewriter-style look, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set it up in just a few clicks, while also giving you context so you know what to expect at every step. First, go to InVideo. Open it in your browser or through the app, whichever you prefer. This is where everything begins. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the editor loads smoothly. If you're working on multiple videos, it can help to close extra tabs to keep the editor responsive. Next, go to your InVideo project. From the main dashboard, locate the project you want to edit. This is the video where you'll be applying the effect to your subtitles. If you have a lot of projects, use the search field or sort by recent activity to find it faster. Select the project, click it once to open. This takes you into the editing workspace where you can make changes to your video, including adding and styling subtitles. Now wait for the project to load. Depending on the size of your media and your connection, this might take a moment. Don't click around too quickly during the stage. Letting the timeline, media, and tools fully initialize helps prevent hiccups later. Once the editor is ready, look for the prompt box. This is where you can give InVideo a clear instruction for what you want it to do. In the prompt box, type, "Make subtitles in typewriter effect." Keep the wording simple and direct, just like that. If subtitles already exist, this will apply the typewriter animation to them. If not, InVideo can generate them based on your audio or script, then apply the effect. Click on Generate. InVideo will process the instruction and update your project automatically. Give it a moment to work. When it's done, play back a portion of your video to confirm the effect. You should see the subtitle characters appearing progressively, mimicking a typing motion. If the preview stutters, let it buffer for a second and play it again for a smooth look. And that's it, done. You've successfully applied a typewriter effect to your subtitles in InVideo. This effect is great for tutorials, announcements, and any moment where you want text to feel lively and intentional. Save your project when you're satisfied and you're ready to continue editing or share your video